Good morning, dear students. In previous period, we were discussed about introductory part of light. It means light is a form of energy that enables us to see an object. An object reflects a light ray that falls on it. Afterwards, my dear students, what is meant by reflection of light? It means bouncing back of light rays in the same medium on striking a smooth surface is called reflection of light. Afterwards, laws of reflection. There are totally two laws of reflection. First law is angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. And second law is the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Afterwards, what is image and types of images? There are totally two types of images, real image and virtual image. Afterwards, mirror. First of all, mirror is said to be what a polished surface which reflect almost all the light incident on it, and there are also of two types. First one is plane mirror and second one is spherical mirror. Plane mirror means if the reflecting surface of a mirror is plane, then the mirror is called a plane mirror. And uses of plane mirror. Plane mirrors are commonly used as a looking glass in making periscopes as well as making of kaleidoscope, etc. Second one is spherical mirror. If the reflecting surface of the mirror is curved inward or outward, then the mirror is called a spherical mirror. My dear students, there are totally two types of spherical mirrors. One is concave, it means a convergent mirror, and second one is convex mirror, it is termed as what? A divergent mirror. Yes, today let us see some definitions related to spherical mirror, in which first one is center of curvature. First one is center of curvature. Yes, I think all of you already know the definition of center of curvature because learn where in an 8th standard. Yes, center of curvature of a spherical mirror is the center of the imaginary sphere of which the mirror is a part. Yes, my dear students, it means center of curvature, center of curvature of a spherical mirror, spherical mirror is the center of the imaginary sphere of which the mirror is a part. The mirror is a part. Yes, my dear students, and also in the figure it is marked by the capital letter C. It is marked by the capital letter C. C means center of curvature. In case of concave mirror, the center of curvature is lie in front of it, while in the case of convex mirror, the center of curvature is lies behind it. Yes, my dear students, in case of what? A concave mirror, where center of curvature is found. Yes, my dear students, center of curvature where in case of concave mirror, case of concave mirror, and in case of convex mirror, convex mirror. Yes, my dear students, it means in case of concave mirror, center of curvature is lying in front of the mirror. Yes, the same way in a convex mirror, what happened? The center of curvature lies behind it. Yes, here behind, and here it means in a concave mirror it lies front, in front. It is clear? Yes, my dear students. Second one is, a second important definition is radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Yes, radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is the radius of imaginary sphere of which mirror is a part. Yes, my dear students, it means it is a radius of what? A imaginary sphere of which mirror is a part. Yes, it is of, it is of a spherical mirror, spherical mirror is the radius of, is the radius of imaginary sphere of, imaginary sphere of mirror is a part. Mirror is a part. Yes, my dear students, it is denoted by the capital letter R. R means what? Radius of curvature. Yes, my dear students, I remind it once again what is meant by radius of curvature. Radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is the radius of imaginary sphere of the mirror is a part. Is termed as what? Radius of curvature. It is denoted by the capital letter R. Yes, my dear students. Next one is pole or pole of the mirror. Next definition is pole. Third one is pole of, or pole of the mirror. Pole of the spherical mirror is midpoint of its reflecting surface. Yes, my dear students, midpoint, what? A midpoint of its reflecting surface is termed as what? A pole of the mirror. Pole of the spherical mirror is the, mirror is the midpoint of, midpoint of, midpoint of its reflecting, its reflecting surface. Yes, my dear students, mean, yes, here reflecting surface midpoint is pole of the mirror. Yes, in case of convex mirror, it is the P. Yes, in case of concave, and in case of water, convex mirror. Yes, midpoint is located as capital letter P. Yes, my dear students, it is the pole of the mirror. Yes, my dear students, it is shown by capital letter P. P means pole of the mirror. Yes, fourth one is principal axis. Principal axis. The principal axis of a spherical mirror is the line joining the pole of the mirror and center of curvature. Yes, my dear students, it join what? Yes, it join center of curvature and pole. Center of curvature and pole. Yes, joining the center of curvature and pole of the mirror. That is termed as what? The imaginary extended line is termed as, joining line is termed as what? Principal axis. Yes, the principal axis of a spherical mirror is the line joining the pole and center of curvature. Yes, my students, it means joining a center of curvature and pole of the mirror in case of concave, in case of convex also. In case of a convex mirror, line joining pole of the mirror and center of a curvature is termed as a principal axis. Yes, my dear students. Next one is aperture. Fourth definition is aperture. Yes, the diameter of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is called its aperture. Yes, my dear students, it means entire diameter of what? The reflecting surface of the mirror is called aperture. Yes, the diameter of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is called aperture. Yes, my dear students, the entire diameter of a reflecting surface is termed as what? Aperture. In figure it is denoted as M1, M2. Yes, is the aperture of the mirror. Yes, my dear students, M1 and M2, it is termed as what? The aperture of mirror. Yes, my dear students, our next discussion point is, our next definition is principal focus. Fifth one is sixth one is principal focus. Principal focus of a spherical mirror. Yes, my dear students, first of all, principal focus is a point on the principal axis of the mirror at which the light rays coming parallel to principal axis after reflection, actually the rays are made. Yes, my dear students, it is a point on the principal axis, of the mirror at which the light rays the light rays coming parallel to coming parallel to principal axis coming parallel to principal axis after reflection actually meet after reflection actually meet. Yes, my dear students, first of all it is represented by what a capital letter F. F means what a principal focus. For concave mirror the focus is in the front of the mirror, while for convex mirror the focus is behind the mirror. Yes, my dear students, what happened in an concave mirror it is in front of what a mirror, in convex mirror focus is behind the mirror. Yes, and last one is seventh one focal length Yes, my dear students, focal length means the distance between pole of the mirror and principal focus of a spherical mirror is called its focal length. Yes, my dear students, what the distance between principal focus and pole of the mirror is called as what focal length. The distance between pole and principal focus of a spherical mirror is called its focal length. Yes, it is represented by a small letter F. Small letter F means focal length. Yes, capital letter F means what a principal focus. Yes, my dear students, I remind once again the given definition related to what a spherical mirrors. First one is center of curvature. It means center of curvature of a spherical mirror is the center of the imaginary sphere of which the mirror is part. It is represented by the capital letter C. Yes, my dear students. Second one, radius of curvature. It is of a spherical mirror. It means radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is the radius of imaginary sphere of mirror is a part, and it is represented by a capital letter R. Next one is pole of the mirror. Yes, pole means pole of the spherical mirror is midpoint of its reflecting surface, and it is represented by the capital letter P. Next, principal axis. The principal axis of a spherical mirror is the line joining the pole of the mirror and center of curvature is termed as what a principal axis. And next one is aperture. The diameter of the reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is called aperture. It is indicated what in one mirror M1 and M2 is mentioned. That is nothing but what a aperture. And next one is principal focus. It is a point on the principal axis of the mirror at which the light ray coming parallel to principal axis after reflection actually meet is termed as what a principal focus, and it is represented by the capital letter F. And next one is focal length. The distance between pole of the mirror and principal focus of a spherical mirror is called focal length. It is represented by a small letter F. My dear students, if the aperture of a mirror is small, if the aperture of the mirror is small, then focal length f is equal to r by 2. It means the principal focus of a spherical mirror lies midway between the pole and center of the curvature. Yes, my dear students. Now, representation of images formed by a spherical mirror using ray diagrams. Using a ray diagrams. Representation of images formed by spherical mirror using ray diagrams. Yes, my dear students, here how the images are located. Yes, now follow the rays diagram can be considered for the locating the images. First, the rays coming parallel to the principal axis pass through the focus after reflection in concave or appear to come from focus in convex mirror. Yes, my dear students, first point is here, the ray coming parallel to the principal axis pass through the focus after reflection. Yes, in concave mirror what happen? Yes, it is F, C and P. Yes, my dear students, what is happening in concave mirror? Focus after reflection, in convex appear to come from focus. Yes, my dear students, I remind you once again, the ray coming parallel to the principal axis pass through the focus after reflection, where in an concave mirrors. Yes, what happened in convex mirror? Appear to come from focus in convex mirror. Yes, my dear students. Second important rule is what? The ray coming through the focus of a concave mirror or coming towards focus of a convex mirror become parallel to principal axis after reflection from the mirror. Yes, it means what happened? Yes, what happened here, my students? The ray coming through the focus of a concave mirror or coming towards focus of a convex mirror become parallel to principal axis after reflection from the mirror. Yes, my dear students, see ray diagrams. What is happening here? The ray coming from focus of a concave mirror, focus of where in a concave mirror, or coming towards the focus of a convex mirror become parallel to principal axis after reflection from the mirror. Parallel after reflection from the water. After reflection from the mirror. Yes, my dear students. And third one. Yes, my dear students. What is given? Observe it carefully. A ray coming from center of curvature of a concave mirror or towards the direction of center of curvature of a convex mirror reflects back along the same path on striking the mirror of the surface. Yes, my dear students, I remind it once again what is happening in concave and what is happening in convex mirror. Yes, my dear students, a ray coming from or coming through center of curvature of a concave mirror or towards the direction of center of curvature of a convex mirror reflects back along the same path on striking the mirror surface. Yes, my dear students, and fourth important rule is in concave as well as convex mirror is yes, it means angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is equal to what? Angle of reflection. Yes, it is represented as a C and F. This one is I and this one is R. Here angle of incident and angle of reflection F and C. A ray incident obliquely to principal axis towards a pole P of the concave or convex mirror is reflected obliquely it means it obey the law of reflection. Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Yes, my dear students, what the ray or incident rays obliquely principal axis towards a pole where towards a pole of concave or convex mirror, of concave as well as a convex mirror, is reflected obliquely. It means it obey the first law of reflection. It means angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Yes, my dear students. And what are the uses of concave as well as convex mirror? Yes, a concave mirror is used in torches, searchlights and vehicles headlight to get powerful parallel beam of light. Yes, my dear students, it means a concave mirror is used where? In an searchlight as well as in our automobile vehicle headlights and torches. Why? Because to get what? A powerful beam of lights. And second, concave mirror are used as saving mirror to see larger images of the face. Yes, my dear students, it means in an saving purpose we people are used what? A concave mirror. Why? To get a larger image of the face. And dentists are used concave mirror to see large images of the teeth of patient. And large concave mirrors are used to converge sun rays on the point to produce large amount of concentrated heat in a solar furnace. Yes, my dear students, in today's class we all are discussed some definitions related to spherical mirror. Afterwards, image formation by a spherical mirror, it means concave mirror. In tomorrow classes we all are discussed what? Image formation by a convex mirror as well as their uses. Thank you.